We're over here at Hollywood Studios today, and it's pretty chilly. It's like in the 50s.
With a little bit of a wind.
A little bit of a wind. But we're all sweatered up, all warm. Chrissy got her coffee. And we're ready to go. Let's go check it out. What's up, my love?
Nothing, wait.
Wait for what?
You can just live vicariously through that.
No way!
Yeah, children are just hiding behind trees with lollipops.
Go tackle him, Katie.
We're gonna get the alien bucket. He's all decked out for Christmas. We got him. Oh. Holds a lot more popcorn than the tree. Yeah, she did a good job filling it. In Star Wars land now, Galaxy's Edge. We're gonna go to Olgas Cantina. We gotta find it, cause I don't know where we're going. Yeah.
You are going the wrong direction.
We will follow you. This one's the Outer Rim. Yours is the Jedi Mind Trick.
Yep.
And your mom's is which one?
The T-18 Skyhopper.
The T-18 Skyhopper.
This seems to be going well. This next song is a local favorite. At least with my boss, Olga. So, boss, this is for you.
They got decorations all over the place. They got the little Christmas ham. Christmas ham.
The Christmas cookies, the Christmas ham.
Like the teacup, right?
Okay, like the classic.
Oh, it's a sleepy guy.
I know, we just did a picture.
So we left Hollywood Studios in search of Chrissy's gingerbread.
Gingerbread cookie. And gingerbread Mickey.
Gingerbread Mick. So we're gonna grab lunch here and see what else we do. That's what Chris came for. Cream food.
That's what I got last time. Oh, and
Yeah. Our adventure today so far.
it was a quick, awesome adventure. We got to do a lot. At least for Olgas Cantina, it was awesome.
Yeah.